morning, ma'am. So, we are going to explain presentation about our mini project. So, our group members, I'm Dinesh Kumar and Vengades and Hagee and Rishi and Sashi. So, today going to present about our mini project. So, and then our table contains about system analysis and system design introduction. System analysis define system user company and define system menu or process. Functionality composition diagram, context diagram, DFT level 0, then DFT level 1, process A and process B, and completion and reference. So first of all is our introduction. So software solution technology. It's located in Bayan Baru, Penang. Is currently preparing to upgrade its physical access control facilities to a more comprehensive and systematic access control system. The primary objective for this project is to enhance security measures by implementing effective access control system for all entrants to software solution technology as well as restricted access control rooms. The proposed access control system will be based on a physical access control system PACS, which will enable the company to monitor and manage access to its premises more effectively. By employing various security technologies, the PAS will ensure that only authorized personnel can enter the company facilities. This system analysis report will provide a detailed analysis of the proposed access control system, encompassing its objective, scope, requirement, and key deliveries. Additionally, the report will outline the project plan, including the timeline, budget, and necessary resources for implementing the new access control system. Then, the primary deliverable of this project will include the design and implementation of pass through testing and validation of system, user training, and comprehensive documentation for future reference. Ultimately, the new access control system is to aim bolster the security of software solution technologies, instilling confidence in its employees, customers, and stakeholders. Thank you, madam.
Hi madam, today I explained about system analysis. Here got three different user category in the system. The first one is system administrator. System administrator have the highest level of control and access to physical access. Control system at Sophic Solution Technology. They are responsible for setting up and configuring the system, managing user account, ensuring system security and integrity, and overseeing overseeing or the overall administration of the system. System administrator typically have complete control over the system functionalities and capabilities, including the management of the physical access device such as door lock, security cameras, and card readers. They also have authority to design to manage a permission access control for both employees and visitors. Second one, employees. Employees at the Sophic Solution Technology are required to use the physical access control system to gain access to the office premises and restricted access control rooms. They use the identification credential such as an access card or biometrical scanner to obtain access related to their own access requirement. This may include requesting access to specific areas or reporting lost or stolen credentials. Third, security personnel. This is the last of the security personnel play a crucial role in monitoring and responding to security in at Sophic Solution Technology Office. They are granted access to specific features and functions of the system, such as viewing security cameras, footage, logging security incidents, and responsible to security alerts. Based on the security policy and security personnel may have the authority to grant or deny access to individual or groups. They can be employed directly by software solution technology or contract from their third party security provider. Here got five main features for this system with the explanation. User management. System administration have the capability to create, manage and revoke access privilege for the both staff members and guests. They should have access interface that allow them to manage user credential access, assign access level and new users as needed. Second, access policy. System administration can establish access control and regulation for different sections of the facility using this functionality. This include creating access level for various user groups, configuring access schedules for specific areas, and setting up security breach alert and notification. Third, access request. Employee and guest have the ability to request access to restrict area through this function. This can be done through the request interface where they submit access request or through approval process where their manager or security professionals must grant the request before access to be given. Fourth, audit trail. Audit trail is a function provide a log of all access attempt whether successful unsuccessful for security purpose. It records information such as a date, time, access attempt, the user's identity and outcome and attempt. 5. Integration with the security system. This feature allows the physical access control system to integrate the other security systems such as security cameras or alarm to create a comprehensive security solution for the facility. It enables action like triggering alarm or sending notification in response to breach and provides real-time access for to security camera footage within the access control system. This diagram is based on a design of functional decomposition diagram. It's called FDD.
During process 1.0, an employee from Sophic Solution Technology will scan their biometrics using the system's biometric scanner. The system will capture the employee's biometric data. This recorded biometric data will be then forwarded to process 2.0, where the system will search for corresponding data about the person in the initial data store known as the person information. The outcome of the search will be sent to third process responsible for employee verification. In process 3.0, the employee will undergo verification using obtained data. If the verification result yields a message denoted as process 4.0, such as indicating a successful verification or an unsuccessful identification, the system will display a relevant message to the employee. The verification results will be managed and compiled into accurate records, which will be stored in the employee's record and communicated to the administrator and the access control database.
Select two main process from DFD level 0 designed in E other than login process. Develop DFD level 1 for process 1. State the process name, draw a complete DFD level 1 and explanation. So this is our DFD level 1 diagram. In process 4.0, the verification result received will be assessed to determine its success or failure. If the authentication is successful, a check-in message will be displayed on the biometric scanner for the employee. On the other hand, if the authentication fails, a refusal message accompanied by a warning will be generated for the user of the biometric scanner. Both successful and failed verification result will be recorded as validation outcome. Next, Select two main process from DFD level 0 design in E other than login process. Develop DFD level 1 for process 2, state the process name, draw a complete DFD level 1 and explanation. So this is our diagram for DFD level 0. And in process 5.0, the authentication result, including both successful and unsuccessful attempts, will be received or consolidated in a data set. The organized data will then be recorded and stored in an employee record data repository. Subsequences, the captured data will be organized and prepared before being transferred to an access control database for storage and future reference. Next, we'll continue by Sashi.
I am Rishi. Today I am explaining about the conclusion. Our organization has developed a complex physical access control system that aim to achieve security and feasibility and measurement for business. The system's features have been outlined in report highlighting in benefit of a soft-fit solution technology of office. Additionally, our company has a future plan including the integration of the treatment director into system to future extend in efficiency usefulness. To provide a better understanding to system, the report elaborate on the user categories and their specific characteristics. This includes the organization as a clear graph of different user group and the system tailored features for each category. The report included visual representation such as function decomposition diagram, content diagram, and data flow diagram (DFD) at level 0 and 1. This diagram provides a clear and concise overview of the physical access control system, enabling the organization visual system structure and flow of data. There are three references. We got the reset gate to get the security pattern for physical access control system. Then the second one is the Lucis to get the data flow diagram. Third is Java point.